All right. So question 14 asks us to basically write the equation of a circle. Every single circle is basically in this format that is actually given to you right now. Okay. The equation is basically x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. H and the k are the center of the circle. R is the radius. So we look at this. The center is 0, 0. And if we count, the radius would be 7. All right. So now all we have to do is basically just plug it in. Okay. So just plug it into the equation that we have. And then we get x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equal to 2 squared. Simplify. X squared plus y squared equals to 4. That's it. Here, same idea. Center is at 0, 0. So plug it in. Radius is equal to 7. The only difference is it's 7 squared. So make sure you do that. 7 squared is 49. This is easy because it gives you the radius and the center. The last one. The issue is that you have to actually use the distance formula to find the radius. Okay? So, this is basically the distance formula with r squared. Okay? I'm not going to square root it until the end. So plug it in. You have 4 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So it's r squared is equal to 3 squared, which is just 9. Square root both sides. R is technically plus and minus 3, but we just take the positive value as 3. So here the center is 1, comma 2. It says it right there. Center is 1, comma 2. And the radius is 3. Just plug it in like normal. X minus 1. Y minus 2. Radius is 3 squared. Make sure you do what 3 squared is, which is 9. X minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 9.